Okay, take a look at the Prokomon Heavy Duty Nut Splitter. Cool, so we got a set of 4. They are actually numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. But it should be pretty obvious because you can tell just by the size what type of nut this is supposed to split. So on the back we got a hex head, so we just spin that guy. That will pull the splitter in and out. This side will hold the nut in place, and then the chisel will split the nut. So the number 1 is designed to go for a 9 to 12 millimeters. This is actually a 7 millimeter, which is a little bit undersized even for this, but I'm curious if this will work with it anyway. There's a 12 millimeter socket. Oh yeah, that was easy. It actually already split it. So I split one side. You're supposed to just go in a little bit and then spin it around and go to the other side and finish it off. There we go. So yeah, that was super easy. That was actually much easier than I was expecting. So this is a 5/16 nut, so I'm going to use the number 2. And this uses a 14 millimeter socket. Okay. Cool. So yeah, you got a stubborn nut, that'll take it right off. And especially if that's on a stud or something that you can't remove, but you need to still have it, those threads are still in good condition. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool kit.